Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Darlene. So, how was your school? So, you just got home. Okay, so what is your schedule?
7 to 4.
7 to 4 p.m. But you still have meeting lately. That's why you arrived home late and you wasn't able to attend the live event. So, I will be giving you your monthly donation, which is 6,000 pesos, and that is from Sanjunim.
Sanjunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Sanjunim.
Annyeonghaseyo. Wait, Parangnim, thank you for the money that you give me to buy vitamins and snacks. Wait, Parangnim, 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Casey and Louie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, since you are not around in live broadcast, so you have donations. So let's have Casey, 2,200 pesos for your monthly donation from Chosunjinim.
Oh, Chosunjinim, 감사합니다.
And 2,000 pesos for Louie from Chosunjinim.
Chosunjinim, 감사합니다.
And we have another 2,000 pesos from Chosunjinim for Louie.
Chosunjinim, 감사합니다.
500 pesos for Casey from Kim Yong-sunim.
Ako, Kim Yong-sunim, 감사합니다.
And another 500 pesos for Casey for your haircut from Ora Chachanim.
Ako, Ora Chachanim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay, so Louie, how much you receive?
4,000.
Okay, and it is from Chosunjinim. And you, Casey?
3,200.
3,200. So 2,200 from Chosunjinim, 500 from Kim Yong-sunim, and 500 from Ora Chachanim. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you sa inyong duha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 감사합니다.
Okay. Annyeonghaseyo, Mary Kate and Casey.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, since you are not around in the live broadcast, but don't you worry because nag-andami gihapon og snacks para ninyo. Okay? So, the corn dog is from Way Paramnim as well as the drinks.
Wait, Parangnim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And also, we have here ice cream from Lilac Nim.
Lilac-nim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And snacks from SB Nim.
SB-nim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay, pangaon na mong duha. So, i-open ninyo ang drinks. Ice cream ang gikaon ni Casey. Annyeonghaseyo, Sophia. Okay, since you are not around in the live broadcast, so don't you worry, kay nagbilin gihapon mi og snacks para nimo. Okay? So we have here drinks, ice cream, snacks, corn dog. Okay? So the corn dog and drinks is from Way Paramnim.
Way Paramnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
We have here the ice cream from Lilac Nim. And snacks from SB Nim. Okay, kaon na day.
Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. Okay, so please sit down. Okay, yesterday I already told you na mag-study mo, no? Okay, today I will give you a task. I hope nag-study jud mo para maka-answer mo sa question. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. What is the symbol of greater than? Done your answer, please ninyo inyong illustration board. Are you done? Yes. Okay. Okay, down your board. Number 2. What is the half of 30 plus 30? If you're done your answer, please close your illustration board or cover. Are you done? Yes. Okay, so please ipataas ang illustration board. Nigel, down wrong. Sachi, wrong. Nash, check. Karen, check. And Mary Chris, check. Number 3. 9 times 5. Divide 5. Plus 39. Minus 139. Nakuha ra ang question? Okay, very good. Show your solution. Are you done? Okay, so palihog kong pataas sa iyong illustration board. The correct answer is negative 91. Sachi. Number 4. 964 times 99. Okay, show your solution gihapon ha. Okay, are you done? Yes. Okay, so please pataas sa inyong illustration board. Okay, ang correct answer is 95,436. Yes. Okay, kasi nakakuha sa answer? Okay, very good. Number 5. Okay, number 5. Open parenthesis. 8 times 5, close parenthesis, divide 10, plus 269 minus 169. Show your solution. Are you to please go pataas sa illustration board. Okay, the correct answer is 104. All of you got the correct answer. Okay.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, teacher Lisan.
Alright, so today is Friday and we have an agreement that we will have our memorization today, right? Diba? Natay memorization every Friday?
Yes.
Alright, so you may now start now.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, a string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good. Clap your hands. Next.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, the string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, the string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good. Next.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, the string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good. Next.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, the string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good. Next.
The lost kite. Emily went to the park with her kite. She ran and let the kite fly high in the sky. Suddenly, the string broke and the kite flew away.
Very good. So everyone got your hands. You're all set. You're all done. So let's have it a good day. Bye for now, class.
Bye!
6 times 7. 30. 42. 3 times 7. 21. 8 times 8. 64. 50. 5 times 7. 25. 7 times 8. 56. Kano ko na? May mga gawin kabuk mo na. Ano pag-iwi lagi mo? 8 times 9. 8 times 9. 22. 7 times 8. 56. 8 times 3. 24.
3 times 9. 3 times 9? 72. 62. 6 times 6. 36. Ma, pag-gulong doon sa kisa. Wait, 9 times 7. 81. 72. 53. 8 times 7. 52. 54. 56. Oh, 56. Ay, go. 9 times 22. 7 times 6. 42. 6 times 8. 56. 54. Gano'n ba yan? Muro siya. 7 times 4. 24. Di. 28. 7 times 4 mo ka. 28 yan eh. 9 times 4. Ay, 9 times 7. 63. 63. 64. Wag isa. 7 times 8. 56. Kamu mo lang wala. Sabay na ko. 8 times 4. 28. 32. 6 times 4. 44. 3 times 7. 21. 4 times 8. 5 times 6. 30. 9 times 4. 36. Akin. 4 times 9. 56. 8 times 6. 8 times 6, 48. 6 times 8. Sakto sa kuya. 6 times 8. 48. Balik. 3 times 7. 9 times 8. 22. 6 times 6. 36. Okay, last. 7 times 7. 49. 6 times 6. 36. 8 times 2. 18. 16. 7 times 5. 35. 9 times 9. 51. 2 times 6. 12. 3 times 9. 27. 6 times 9. 54. 6 times 4. 6 times 4. 24. 8 times 4. 28. 32. 7 times 5. 35. 9 times 9. 81. 6 times 3. 18. 9 times 2. 18. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 18 times 6. 8 times 5. 8 times 5. 40. 40. 6 times 6. 36. Hindi ka ba? Sito. 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 32. 5 times 6. 30. 8 times 6. 48. 6 times 8. 48. 8 times 4.
32.
9 times 4.
36.
9 times 7.
63.
7 times 9.
63. 33.
6 times 6.
6 times 6.
2 times 8.
16. 16.
3 times 5.
15.
Lisa, isa. 1